Hello everyone, Sheltech, and today we're going to take a look at what could be the ultimate USB streaming webcam. This is the Redragon GW910 OneShot. It's got an awesome design, 3-level adjustable ring light, 5-level digital zoom, 1080p resolution, and loads of other features. But is it worth buying? Well, today we're going to get this unboxed, set it up, check out those features, do a video and sound test, and I'll give you my first impression of the all-new Redragon GW910 Full HD webcam. As always, the timestamps and product links to the GW910 are in the description and any gear I refer to in the video. Okay, let's unbox this latest Redragon webcam. This webcam is compatible with most software available like Zoom, Skype, Twitch, Discord, YouTube, and other popular streaming services. Opening up the Redragon signature black and red box and sliding out the tray, we have a Redragon sticker, the OneShot user manual, a lens cloth, which is nice to see, and finally the GW910 itself. So you get quite a lot in the box at this $35 price point. Now taking a closer look at the webcam itself, it's a full 1920 by 1080 HD resolution with an advanced optical lens that is fixed focus. That lens runs a max of 30 FPS and includes 5 times digital zoom under 720p. A great feature to help you center your focus on your face and capture details and colors during video calls. You have a magnetic privacy cover for the lens that adds some security to your online use. It's got dual stereo microphones that is supposed to offer clear and stable sound, which I will test later. Some other features of the camera includes the 2-meter USB-A cable. The camera sits on top of a flexible clippable monitor mount that has a standard 1/4 tripod connection. Although for the GW910, a tripod isn't included in the package. This clip can also be used as a desk stand or traditionally on top of your monitor. It has 360-degree rotation, and the camera is able to be angled up and down so you can easily move your webcam to any angle that you need for that perfect shot. The housing has a textured non-slip coating, and on top is the manual zoom button, so no need to go into software to zoom this webcam. A necessity for all webcams is a privacy cover, and the GW910 has one. It is magnetic and covers the lens quite securely, and when not in use can be stored on the back of the webcam itself. And then under the lens is the touch button control for the 3-level ring light. Speaking about that ring light, this could be the #1 option for anybody looking into buying this webcam. Lighting is one of the best things you can do to improve your pictures during calls, streaming, or recording. The OneShot has a 3-level adjustable ring fill light that changes the color temperature and controls the brightness by tapping or holding down the touch control. Now to set up, simply plug the webcam into a free USB port on your computer, no extra drivers or downloads required, and configure in your favorite webcam program, making this a totally plug-and-play device. Most people will use this webcam the traditional way on top of their monitor. The adjustable desktop clip holds the camera nice and snug and secure. With the long power cable, you should have no problem reaching the back of your computer or hub. So let's give a test of the picture, features, and audio of the Redragon OneShot GW910 1080p webcam. Hey everybody, here's a video test of the GW910. I'm running it at 1080p, 30 FPS, using OBS to record this. Also using an external mic, my Rokat Torch. So you're going to get the best sound using an external mic, but we'll test the dual internal mics in a few seconds. Using a couple external lights just to get a picture of this camera without using the ring lights and showing you how it looks to me. For me, I'm looking at it, it looks pretty clear, but it also gives me a little bit of a tint on my color. Maybe that will change once I turn on the ring light or turn on more lights or even use the webcam during the day. This is a fixed focus camera, so you don't have any autofocus. So if you put something like this in front, you still see it. It is relatively clear right up to it, and then far away, it still can read the lettering very clear and nice. Checking out these ring lights that's on here, the 3-stage ring lights. We got the first one by clicking on. It's a little bit yellowish tint one. And, it's lighting up my face right away, as you can see. Second one, that's more of a daylight look. And it's still lighting up my face. And then you got another light that looks like a mixture of the daylight and the first light. And these are really good to have. I'm turning off a couple of my external lights and just going with the ring lights. You see how it lights up my face even by pushing it on me. Turning it off. and then turning it on. You can see the little yellow tint as this is one. And then here's the daylight setting. And of course, I told you you could hold down that button and make it brighter or less bright, depending on what you need. Oh no, that's pretty good. I still got a little bit of a tint to my complexion, my color. But as you can see, the background is really clear, really nice. I'm pretty impressed by it. You're getting a field of view, I'd say 80 degree field of view. So you're not getting everything in the background. You're just getting more of the subject and just a few things in the background. That could be good. It depends what you're looking for. If you need to just use this for Zoom calls or conference calls or streaming and you want to focus on your subject and nothing behind you, or having like a whole bunch of people behind you, this would be a perfect webcam for that. So that was a little test of the video on this webcam with the ring lights on and the ring lights off. And let's check out the internal mic and see how that sounds to you if you need them in a pinch. Here's the test of the internal dual mics on the GW910 webcam. How's it sound to you? Good? Bad? So-so? Tell me down below in the comments how's it sound. Of course, an external mic's the best way to go, but it's good to know what the internal mic sounds like in case you need it in a pinch or you don't have an external mic. So after my unboxing and test of the Redragon OneShot GW910 1080p webcam, I found it to be pretty good. It's got an awesome picture that didn't lag. There is 5x zoom. The video output looked clean with great clarity and really minimal graininess in the picture. Although I did notice a bit of a tint with my skin color, but I think if I tweaked with settings in OBS, I could dial in the picture much better. I love the ring lights and its 3 modes to get more light on the person. If you don't have the extra lights in your room, these built-in lights will get the job done. Now the mic, after listening to it, will get you by. I did notice a little echo and reverb while using, but that could be due to my room acoustics. Of course, some sort of sound treatments may be needed in your space, especially if you're a streamer, to get better sound out of the built-in mics. But of course, an external mic is always the way to go. So for under $40, I think the GW910 is a good buy for a budget webcam. I think it's perfect for your meetings, Zoom calls, online classes, and streams, especially in low light environments. That was my look at the Redragon OneShot GW910 1080p webcam. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed today's video, check out some other webcam videos right here. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification for more Shell Tech videos.